Welcome to RSSDR TV 2020. I am Dr. Shahu Ingole and you are watching me on RSSDR TV brought to you by Vocard. Today I am honored to have with me an eminent personality and renowned senior diabetologist from Pune and organizing secretary of RSSDI 2020, Dr. Sanjay Agrawal sir. Sir is the senior diabetologist, Eagle Clinic, head of Department of Internal Medicine, Ruby Hall Clinic, senior consultant in diabetes and medicine, Jahangir Hospital and Apollo Group of Hospital, Pune. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Shahu. It's a pleasure to be with you on this TV.
So we all know that this year's 2020 has brought a tremendous change all over the world due to COVID-19 and medical conferences were not the exception to this. So on behalf of OCAD, we would like to congratulate you, sir, for putting up a great show in this year RSSDI 2020, which is happening on the virtual platform for the first time. We also thank you, sir, for giving us an opportunity to partner with RSSDI for RSSDI TV. So, sir, we would like to know what are the key achievements of RSSDI this year and what are the plans for the future.
Thank you very much, Dr. Shahu. And it gives me a great happiness to participate in this show and talk a little bit about RSSDI first. From 1912, when RSSDI was actually formed by Dr. MMS Ahuja, we have made long strides over the years. We've had the guidance of number of past presidents who have done immense work for the body, and they were ably supported by the executive committees. And if you walk through the history from 1912 onwards till date, you will find that besides being just a body which created academia for the doctors, it has now, it has walked into the different spheres of diabetes management. So we do educate on one hand healthcare professionals and guide them about management of diabetes. But on the other hand, we have also started taking initiatives by which we can be a resource partner or a knowledge partner for all the patients who suffer from diabetes. And third wing is, of course, we do support a lot of research activities through our grants, and we do encourage young researchers to do very good high quality research. We have tremendous amount of backing from our senior colleagues who do guide these young researchers so that they can become well adapted to this entire platform. So if you see that over time, besides academics, we have become a research partners, and we've also become patient partners, and that gives us great joy because it's fulfilling the entire objective that the organization was formed for. uh, we have a very good, proactive, and a very dynamic executive committee led by our president, Dr. Bansi Sabu. And I think, as the entire team, by the president, secretary, and all the various office bearers and the executive committee of RSSDI, we have done tremendous amount of work this year, despite the fact that we have had, no means of travel. We have been communicating through the virtual platforms, but yet the amount of work that we have put in probably in the last few months since the time we've taken over last November, it's been immense. And the work will show for itself, where we have done number of initiatives where people have benefited even during the lockdown period.
So, sir, we all know that you have taken a tremendous effort in making this year's conference a huge success. So, how does this year's RSSDI makes it a different and unique experience to the organizing team?
Yeah, I think that's something that's been a great joy for us. It was also very, very challenging because this is the first time actually RSSDI's national meeting has been on a virtual platform. We've never had this precedent earlier. So we've had to factor in so many challenges, but yes, as a team, we have circumvented all these challenges. So we've had the benefit of this virtual. There are a number of benefits also which we've had from this virtual platform, because the attendance has been immense. Because a lot of people now can log in from their own homes, no matter which part of the country they belong to. So we've seen a big response to the meeting, and the amount of registrations have surpassed what we actually see during the physical meetings which we hold every year. So there has been a lot of interest from all across the country for the meeting. Second thing is, we've had all the key opinion leaders nationally and internationally who have all agreed to be part of this meeting. So So our entire faculty is absolutely some of the best people that are known to work in the field of diabetes. And we will be benefited by hearing all these people on one platform. Often what happens is because of constraints, various constraints, at times we don't get all these wonderful people on one platform. But this year we've been very successful to have some big international names as well as all our national faculty come together. And I'm sure that all the attendees will be gifted with a very strong scientific program. And I don't think people will regret seeing this entire show on a virtual platform. There has been challenges, of course, because the experience of meeting everybody physically is missing in this platform, and that itself is a camaraderie that we all develop when we meet each other, be it the delegates, be it the faculties, be it the industry, and the interaction that follows by meeting each other, and the joy of just meeting all of us. It is different experience, but probably the entire experience will have been compensated with the strong science that we will be rolling out during the course of the program, and that probably will be the biggest highlight of this entire meeting. This The attendance for this meeting has perhaps been one of the biggest attendance for any national meeting that we have done in the past or for now.
So, sir, what is your final key message to all the national and international delegates who are joining this RSSDI conference for the first time on the virtual platform?
Oh, love to have you with us. Just enjoy the experience and just listen to good science and unbiased science that you'll hear during the entire course of the meeting. I assure you, keep yourselves free for 4 days for us, and every minute will be worth the experience. And I'm sure you'll be hearing such wonderful scientific talks during the course of 4 days that it will be worth all the experience that you will be, spending during the course of the meeting. Just to keep the virtual experience, we have ensured that you have a chance to interact with the industry also. We have also kept an opportunity for you to meet all the experts so that you can interact with the experts about whatever you wish to, talk to them about. We have had all the sequence of lectures. We have got number of halls that will be beaming the lectures to, and we've tried to recreate as much as possible the physical experience and beyond that. Just ensure that you're there. If you have any difficulties, please don't hesitate to contact the secretariat, and we'll be there to help you for everything.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your efforts for this year's RSSDI conference and joining us on RSSDI TV brought to you by WOCAT. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Shah. Pleasure to talk to you.